Everyone, my name is Sam Siangao, and let me discuss to you and present to you what is conditional statement of if else conditions for Java and Python. Let's get started. So, what is a conditional statement? Like if else allow your program to make decision based on certain conditions. In Java, the if else statement is used to execute different blocks of code based on whether a condition is true or false. So, basically is mag-define lang ka if ang imong usa ka condition is true ba or false. Mara siya. Tapos, here the basic syntax of if else in Java. So, here the show code. Sa first line na ay if tapos ang imo draa is your conditions. So, unsa gipangita sa imong variable mo na imong gi-intended dira sa close open parenthesis. Then the second line is code runs if condition is true. So, akong giingon pa lang pag if is true. Then and else dire if false. Meron siya ang basic syntax sa Java. Tapos in here in Python, pareha gyapon siya pero lahi siya syntax lang gyapon. Pero if else condition lang gyapon in second line code runs if condition is true tapos else code runs if condition is false. So here the next step is quick tutorial for Java and Python using if else condition. So maghimo ta og tutorial about it og unsaon siya pag-use sa if else condition statement by using Java and Python. So let's get us started. We have here the uh, Java. So let's start from the starting method or starting point niya. Maghimo ka og if else condition. So we have here public class main public class, then sunod ana is ang public static void. Mali siya ang starting point niya. Public static void. Sorry. Public static void main string arg. Sorry. And then the next line is we create an int number equals, so let's say 10. Tapos int number equals 10. Tapos yung mandiri mag-print ta. So print lang ta without moving the next line. Man siya ang print lang. Bali na ay text. Kita nimong text ng imong ibuhat dali. Here Java. Oh no. No. Di pa dito dra. Mag-use pa dito ikadong if if condition is number greater than, not to continue about it. Sorry. Tapos system. Sorry for the tabs. So let's worry about it. Out print ln. Tapos next one is dito na din natin ibutang si the number is positive. Am I right? Ito. Then line na to si else. Else number is negative. Then system. R print. The number is negative. Sorry for the slow typer by so negative. So here, so nag-declare lang ta ay sa fourth line, nag-declare lang ta og integer variable nga nag-name siya og number, then equals 10. Then here dire sa if sa line 6, we have close open parenthesis number, then greater than 0 is curly bracket, then we print out here the number is positive, kung positive ba siya. Tapos if else or else, if the number is less than 0, curly bracket, then sa 10th line is we print out lang gyapon the number is not a positive. So let's let's tanaw na to if mo run ba siya. So sa gihatag nga number gaina or integer 10, if kuan ba siya, if greater than, so the number is positive. Okay siya. And then if we create a Python naman, Python. So let's continue for the Python. So nga lang gyapon siya pag mo siya sa if else condition, tawag lang gyapon tag na ay nag-declare lang gyapon ta og kuan variable nga nag-name og number, tapos equals 10. Then next line naman is if number is greater than, then print positive, then greater than 0, tapos else, we're not using ellipse, uh, else is print lang ta o print number of integers, then this is negative. So simple lang siya, not positive. So dari Python, let's say that. So sa akong giingon gaina, this is a variable nga nag-declare siya nga number, tapos the value, then if else condition, if true, number is greater than 0, print number is positive, if else false man gani, print number is gone. So let's run it and debug it. So magulat lang tayo. So number is a positive. So ang gihatag palang gaina, if number is a greater than 0, so positive siya. So aron hindi mo ma-confuse if maghimo ta dire og let's say negative 8. So negative 8 man siya, so ang iya gid ang pilion gid ani ang else niya. So try na to. So here negative man lang kaya number is a positive. Yan siya. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something about our lesson. So That is all. Thank you for watching.